Hey everybody, in this video we will learn how to make a shell structure that looks like this one, and I just want to clarify that we're going to make the shell structure but not the three columns. Okay, let's go to Revit. Now go to massing and site and place mass. Okay, place a point, go to the 3D view and set the plane. Select the perpendicular one. Of course you can tap to select another plane. Just select now the perpendicular one. Go to reference and draw a reference line. You can see that when we move the point, the line is moving because now the line is controlled by this point. Go to the side view, set the plane on the reference line. Draw the spline that will control the ups and downs of our shell structure. Let's say like this. Okay, select it and create a form. Select the edge and extend it if you want. Okay, now go to the side view. Now you're seeing it from top. You need to set the plane, pick a plane, select the first line that we did, which is this one, and we are selecting the horizontal plane. We need now to draw our shape. Okay, we will draw half of it on one side and the other half on the other side, and I will tell you later why. Now let's say this is the first half. Okay, and escape. This is the first half, and connect it to a box as follows. That goes out of this slice that we created. Okay, and now we will draw the other half. Let's say okay, and again the same thing. We'll do the same thing. We will connect this other half to a box that goes out of this, because now we have a form and we want to create two voids that cuts this slice or this form to form our this shape, the shell structure. Okay, now select this half. You can go to 3D view if it's easier. Select now. Let's select this along with this line. Okay, and create form for now. Solid form. You need to make sure that it covers the slice completely from all sides. Now let's go to the other half, this one, and create a form. Select this face, this one, till here. Now you need to select these two forms. Let's see it in the shaded. Maybe it's more visible. Okay, select these two forms only and go to the properties and make them void. You'll see that this will happen. Simply just click on cut, select your shell and select this one, and your shell is created. Of course this is a mass only. Now you can just finish your mass. Okay, and you need to give it a material, or you need to not keep it just a mass. You go to architecture. You can either use roof by face, or if it didn't work, you can just use wall by face. Now let's use roof by face, for example, and select it, create roof. Okay, after you created your roof, if you want to hide the mass, you can just go to massing and site and okay, So you can just click this one, or you can go you can click on your keyboard VG for visibility and graphic, and you can slide down to find the mass and just remove the tick. But for now we need it, so let's keep it because we need it. Okay, what you need to do then, just 1 second because I feel that this is so thick, so I'm changing the properties. Let's say 200. I forgot something. I want to change the material. Okay, now it's fine. White is fine. Okay, now we want to do something. We want to select the mass, go to massing and site, and create a system, curtain system, and select your mass, create system. This creates a grid on your mass. Okay, if the grid is fine, just keep it. If you feel that there are a lot of red lines or it's too much, just keep pressing tab to select the grid system. Okay, you can go to edit type. We need it to be an empty system. If we want to give it a fixed number, you can. Now we will select a fixed number, and from outside we can change the number. For the mullions, we can select this one, for example, and the same thing for this. Oh, sorry. Say this one. The same thing for this. The same thing. No, not this one. This one here. Rectangle. Rectangle. Okay. And here we can change the number. Let's say 20 for both. I think this is fine. Okay, now this piece is so small, you can just select it and go to edit type. The dimensions, let's say it's 250. Originally in other versions of this software, I think this sentence is different. It should be something different, but it represents the width of the piece. Okay, now it's changed. Of course we don't want it up, as you can see we want it down, so we can just select the curtain system. No, I think we select just one piece, the same place here, and as I said, I don't know why the namings here are different, but this should be the offset. We need to offset it, let's say 200, which is 20 centimeters, and click OK. Now it's done. If you feel that it needs to go down more, just do the same thing. Okay, 210 or 220. Let's hide the mass now. It's fine if you zoom out, you can see the grids, but when you zoom in, you need to not see it, so it's fine. Okay, now just go to VG to hide the mass. Where's the mass? Here. Okay. Now the mass is hidden, as you can see, and we have our shell structure. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and check the other videos. Salam.